So when we talk about complex adaptive systems, we're giving a definition to life. And when we use the term adaptive, it means that there's some opportunity or conflict within the environment that shapes not only the behavior but the structure of the organism. So since the first forms of life, there's been this constant marriage, intimate interplay between environment and the living organism. In fact, it's the elements of the environment that literally shape, come together, coalesce with the energetic principle to form life, the structure of life. Okay, elements plus energy plus the miracle. Elements, energy, and some miracle happens, and then life is formed. And from then on, it's a constant love affair between the organism and the environment. And we see that the organism creates new structure, adapts, and becomes more complex by taking in the energy and creating new structures. Now, whether that could be the body, physical evolution, or the mind, conscious evolution, the evolution of our thoughts and intelligence over 3.5 million years. It's the same process. Is the living organism capturing energy from the environment and using it in the most efficient way possible to create new structure. So that, again, that applies to the cognitive realm and also the body. So we could say the mind-body, it's all one. So as we continue to learn, we see throughout the evolution, since the first forms of life, bacterial life, there's been constant growth and change and movement towards complexity until now we have this conscious being, Homo sapiens sapiens, man knowing knower. Sapiens means to taste or to know. So we say sapiens twice. Implies self-awareness. Movement towards complexity until we reach the point in which consciousness looks back upon itself. So back to the principle of life, complex adaptive systems. So we see that in that definition itself, there's a rejection of equilibrium. In other words, life does not thrive to stay the same. In order to stay living, it needs to continually adapt and change. This is the basic fundamental principle of life, this constant movement forward. This is called adaptation. So if we apply that truth to our life right now, the tendency is for us to stay comfortable, to avoid change and avoid discomfort and disturbance. And this literally is going away is going against the life principle. So meditation is not to calm things down and to stop things down. Meditation is to explode awareness, but to get rid of the decayed systems that we want to keep the same. So cast those out and live in an open way, openness to change. That's the purpose of meditation, to become more dynamic, more intelligent, and more complex.